Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out from other devices where you're currently logged in. So to do this, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. And then once the settings and activity page opens, you need to click on this account center button. Then once the Meta account center page opens, you can see this option which says password and security. So simply click on this and you can see this option which says where you are logged in. Click here and then click on this account, and then you can get a list of all those accounts where your session is currently active of your Instagram account. So for example, you can see that this is the current device right now I'm using, and this is the other Windows device where I'm currently logged in as well. So if you want to log out from this device, what you can do is simply click on this select devices to log out option in red, and once you click here, you can just select all of those devices from which you want to log out, and then click on this logout button at the bottom, and it will ask you for a confirmation. Just simply click on the logout button and just wait for the process to happen. And here you can see that you have been successfully logged out on the selected devices and you are no more logged into those devices. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.